Good morning, children. Today we are starting with a poem, Come Out With Me, and it is written by A. Milne. Children, Come Out With Me is a poem in which the poet tries to remind us about the small child that is the little darling within every individual. We have ignored that little child within us in our busy life. So now let's recite the poem. There's sun on the river and sun on the hill. You can hear the sea if you stand quite still. There's 8 new puppies at Roundabout Farm, and I saw an old sailor with only one arm. So children, the poet in the first stanza defines the beauty of the nature by indicating river, hill and the bright sun spreading light all over, and also says that one can hear the silence of the deep sea with a peaceful mind, and beautiful puppies can also be seen at Roundabout Farm, means nearby farm, and also saw an old sailor with only one arm. So the poet is trying to show different things in the world. But everyone says run along. Run along means to go away. Run along, run along. All of them say run along. I am busy as can be means very busy. Everyone says run along. There's a little darling. If I am a little darling, why don't they run with me? In the second stanza, the poet has revealed the true nature of human being, that the people are busy in their routine work, ignoring the playful child in them. They throughout keep on working and forget the small beautiful moment of life. So the little darling is the child within us. There's wind on the river and wind on the hill. There's a dark dead water wheel under the mill. I saw a fly which had just been drowned, and I know where a rabbit goes into the ground. In the third stanza, the poet again tried to make us aware about the natural things which are always beneficial for us, like soothing wind, beautiful hills, and also a dark dead water wheel, means not in use under the mill, and also tries to saw that a fly which just been drowned, and where a rabbit goes into the ground, means he also sees the rabbit goes into his burrow. But everyone says run along, run along, run along. All of them say yes dear and never notice me. Everyone says run along. There's a little darling. If I am a little darling, why won't they come and see? So in the fourth stanza, the poet again says that the people ignore the bliss of the nature, means the peaceful joy of nature, and keep on struggling with the regular routine. The people are so busy that they forget to spend for their own peace, enjoyment and happiness. The small child within us is questioning the person that if I am your little beloved, then why can't you stop running from your busy life and enjoy all small moments of the life? So the children, the poet tries to convey a message through his poem Come Out With Me, that we should always see best in everything and everyone in the life. I hope you all have understood the poem. Now you have to recite the poem at your home, and also you have to learn it. Thank you.